My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Cumos.live. Cumos.live is a junk and truly dangerous site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This site Cumos.live tries to mislead people and to make them actually scared about the condition of their computers, to force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by Cumos.live, be very careful, don't interact with these fake alerts. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on the system. What we recommend you to do immediately is researching the control panel in order to uninstall any programs which could be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then start researching and investigating the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.